good audio is more important than good video. If you're ever posting a really informative video or reel and you were sure it was going to be a hit, and then you look at your analytics and you're like, oh, the retention rates are really low. And you're thinking, I did everything right. It's got a great hook. It's an interesting topic. I moved the camera around to keep it interesting or whatever. Check your audio to see how it sounds. Maybe you overlooked it. So you tell me, would you be more likely to watch a good-looking video that sounds like this?
Guys, you gotta watch The Mist. It's got great acting and a killer ending.
Or a bad-looking video that sounds like this?
Guys, you gotta watch The Mist. It's got great acting and a killer ending.
That's why I always recommend to clients that I consult to go buy microphones. They can cost a bit sometimes, especially for buying the professional grade gear, but there's definitely some more reasonably priced options out there that'll get you started no problem. And it's not all about your microphone either. It also has a lot to do with how you process the audio afterwards. You could be using a great microphone, but processed poorly, it'll still sound
harsh and grating on the ears.
Maybe you've noticed that podcasts generally sound really nice and bassy and smooth. That's what you want to be going for. They're really easy to listen to. Follow for my upcoming videos on cheap and easy ways to make your audio sound good, as well as a beginner crash course on microphones and audio processing that anybody could do.